My name is Helen Eaglin, and I am in EDCI 270, and welcome to my Evernote notebooks. This first one here is my course theme notebook, which is leadership development. And as you can see here, I have 6 notes in here, and they happen to be like quotes from Andrew Carnegie, Kid President, comfort zones, and I also have a video here and a blog from Michelle Polar. And then right here is a lesson plan, which I went through, which is from a website, and I went through and I highlighted what I thought was important, as you can see right here, and like stuff about positivity and all that, and all these games that will build leadership, which I thought was really cool. And other than these notes, I also have 2 other notebooks. Here is my IAAE Purdue, which is my Ag Education Club. And as you can see, I have stuff like FFA, grain bin safety, and right here I have the Ag Education Standards. And I went through and I highlighted, or I took notes about what I thought was important for the leadership standards, because that is what I'm focusing on. And I underlined and wrote FFA right here because I thought that was really important. And I circled team and wrote teamwork because that also goes a lot into building leaders. And then like I put grain bin for grain bin safety. And then this is my Purdue Reamer Club one, and it has a lot about Purdue and the Boilermaker Specials. I'm in this club and I really enjoy it. Here's what a reamer looks like. And yeah, thank you for watching.